We have the trapezoidal rule. So we have to first plot the negative x squared plus 2. So here's the plot. And we have the y sub 0, y sub 1. This is the sum. These are the samples f of x here. We have the area 1, area 2, area 3, and area 4 here. So by using the formula of the trapezoid, the area of the trapezoid is uh, base 1 plus base sub 2 divided by 2 multiplied by the height. That is for the uh, formula for finding the area of the trapezoid. So here we consider the area 1 as the area of the trapezoid here. So h is the height of the trapezoid here, and y sub 0 and y sub 1 are the pieces of the trapezoid, and divide by 2, then multiplied by the height of the trapezoid here, that is equal to the area 1. So we have the total area here, area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4. So our area 2 is equal to height times the height of the trapezoid in the area 2, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2, area 3. Now, if add all the areas here, so we have only one y sub 0 here. Then we have y sub 1 plus y sub 2 is equal to 2 y sub 1. Then y sub 2 plus y sub 2 plus y sub 2 is equal to 2 y 2. Then y sub 3 plus y sub 3 is equal to 2 y 3. Then we have only y sub 0 here. We have only one y sub 4 here. And we factor out the h over 2 here. So that is the total area of the uh, total area under the curve here for this given uh, given area, the area for the total area for area 1, area 2, area 3, and area 4. Okay. So for our example here, approximate the integral here from 0 to 2 of x squared dx using the trapezoidal rule with n equal to 10 subintervals. So understand the trapezoidal rule formula, the trapezoidal rule for approximating from 0 to b. So this formula here is this one. So this is the same as the formula that we have here. Okay, so this is similar to this formula. Okay, so our h here is b minus a over n, and here is the number of subdivision here. So this is the width of each subinterval. So x sub 0 equal to a, and x sub 1 is equal to a plus h, and x sub 2 is equal to a plus 2h. So x sub n is equal to b, the last vertical here, b. To apply the values here, we are given equal to 0, n is equal to 2, and n equal to 10, and f of x equal to x squared. So our h here is 2 minus 0 divided by 10 equal to zero point 0.2. Now compute the points here. 0 plus kh equal to zero point 0.2 k, or k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 to 10. Okay, so we have the p here from 0 to 5, and x of p here. So the value of x here is from 0 to 2. Uh, the increment here is equal to zero point 0.2. For example, 0, zero point 0.2, zero point 0.4, zero point 0.6, zero point 0.8. Then we have x squared here. So the square of 0 equal to 0. The square of zero point 0.2 is equal to zero point 0.04. The square of zero point 0.4 is equal to 0.16. The square of zero point 0.6 is equal to 0.36, and so on. So by substitution of all these values here, substitute here in h over 2, f of x sub 0. Okay. So we have the total value. So that The approximate area is equal to 2.68 here. By substitution here in this value. Then the exact solution here is the integral of x squared is equal to x cubed over 3 from 0 to 2. So that is equal to 8 over 3 equal to 2.667. So our approximation is 2.68 versus 2.667. So the error here is 2.68 minus 2.667. So that is 0.0133, which is quite small. So our conclusion here, trapezoidal rule with n equal to 10, we approximate the integral of x squared from 0 to 2 equal to 2.68. So the exact value here is 2.667. So simulation by Mathematica here. So a equal to 0, b equal to n, b equal to 2, and equal to 10. So our step size here is b minus a divided by n. So by substitution here. Then we have the x values here from 0 to n here. So we have the I here. I is from 0 to n. So n, our n here is equal to 10. Then evaluate f of x at each point. So we have f at each point here. So we have the value. So apply the trapezoidal rule formula. So this is the trapezoidal rule formula here. So h over 2. So the first value of f. So this is the first point, the first value of x. We have the second value of x here up to n. So x here is I here is uh, from the second point to the second to the last point here. So the last point here is n plus 1. So the exact integral here is we have the exact integral and we have the error here. So this is the approximate integral here. So the answer here is equal to uh, 67 over 25. So that is so this is point 0, 2.68, and so this is the approximate integral. And the exact answer is equal to 8 over 3. This one, 8 over 3. So this is the approximate value, and this one is the exact value. So the explanation of the code f of x equal to x squared, and a equal to 0, b equal to 2, n equal to 10. Then we have to compute the step size here, b minus a divided by n. Then we have the table here, a plus ih. So I here is from 0 to 10. So it creates the 11 points from 0 to 2 in the steps of point 2. So this one applies the function to all x values. We have the trapezoidal sum uses the standard formula.